Ever wondered about the mysteries hidden within ancient texts? Dive with us into the book of Ezekiel, chapter 17 to 21. A journey through allegories, prophecies, and powerful lessons. God challenges the people's trust in human powers over divine will. The key phrase in verse 24, I, the Lord, have spoken and I will do it, underscores his ultimate authority. Transitioning to chapter 18, the focus shifts to personal responsibility.
Hear the proverb, "The fathers eat the sour grapes, but the children's teeth are set on edge," is debunked. God emphasizes in verse 4, "The soul who sins shall die," stressing individual accountability. Every choice matters, beckoning us to live righteously. In chapter 19, the lamentation for the princes of Israel unfolds as a poetic dirge, highlighting the downfall of leadership and the nation's resulting plight. It's a warning of the devastating effects of straying from God's path.
Chapter 20 offers a historical reflection, recounting Israel's repeated rebellions. Here God reminds them of his unwavering desire to renew the covenant. In verse 44, "You shall know that I am the Lord." He pledges mercy despite their unfaithfulness, reinforcing the eternal hope of redemption.
Finally, chapter 21 paints a vivid picture of impending judgment with the metaphor of a sharpened sword. God's justice is inevitable, yet it's designed for correction, not mere punishment. The chapter encourages the audience to consider their actions and realign with divine intentions. These chapters weave a captivating tapestry of choice, consequence, and divine mercy, resonating through time with every listener. They invite us to ponder our own responsibilities and the timeless truths that guide us, leaving us curious for more of Ezekiel's profound insights. Join us as we unravel these divine messages, echoing across the ages, calling for introspection and understanding.